Hello friends, welcome to my channel HS Bari friend. Today in this video I will explain you the uses of video toolbox. If you are getting this option inside your mobile phone setting and now you are wonder how to use this video toolbox, what is this video toolbox, and you want to use this and you are not able to use this, then I will show you. So first of all I will show you where is video toolbox in my mobile phone. Inside this special features, video toolbox is here. Now what you have to do, you have to enable all the functions like video toolbox first option, second option video toolbox shortcut, third option video toolbox location, you can select anywhere left or right, no problem. And the fourth option is important, you have to select the app, in which app you want to use this video toolbox. You have to select at least one app, because this toolbox you can use on only on that app which app you have selected. Like I have selected one app, I have selected this YouTube app. So now I will go to YouTube and I will show you this video toolbox there. I am opening this YouTube, and now in this YouTube you will get a very thick line on left hand side. Here where I am clicking, you will get this thick line here. So why this is on left side? Because you have here selected shortcut location on left hand side. If you are selecting on right hand side, then that line will be appear on right hand side. So by clicking on this thick line, you will get this video toolbox options and you can use these options here. So hope friend this video is helpful for you. If this is helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.